Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm hoping you all are doing great. And so it's a morning time and I'm done with my hygiene routine. So it is said that morning is an important time of our day because how we spend our morning tells us that how we are going to spend our whole day. So I'll take a glass of warm water because when we get up our body is warm, so we should take warm water. So now I'm done with the living area organization and dining table cleaning. So I'm going to check the menu for today. It is poha, and for lunch aloo matar ki sabzi and paratha. So today my husband is going office, so I'm going to pack the breakfast and lunch both. So I'm giving poha in for breakfast, and for lunch I'm packing aloo matar ki sabzi and paratha. And for us we will have aloo matar ki sabzi, dal and chapati. So for poha I have added mustard oil and then curry leaf fry and khada lal mirch, and then I'll add the peanuts and onion, and once it is sauteed I'll add the poha, turmeric powder and salt. And so now it is ready. So I'm just going to make the lunch. So I've already peeled the potatoes and made the dough yesterday night. So I'm adding mustard oil in kadhai, and I'll add the rai and jeera and also curry leaves along with jeera and rai, and then I'll add the potatoes. Also I'm adding the turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. And once it is cooked for 5 minutes, then I'll add the frozen peas. So now I have packed the breakfast and lunch both, poha for breakfast and paratha sabzi for lunch. So we are going to have tea. So my husband will take only biscuit or rusk, anything with tea. So now it's time for our breakfast for me and my son. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to clean my kitchen and dishes also, because I have to go for driving classes. It's been almost 10 days I have started driving classes, and like I'm feeling little shy and not very confident, but I'll be confident very soon. So I have already cleaned the dishes and it's time to clean the kitchen, because whenever I have cleaned home and kitchen I feel very relaxed and happy also, and my mind is also organized. So whenever I go anywhere, before going I always used to clean and organize my kitchen and home. So now I'm back with my driving classes. I'm making the dal. I've already prepared the sabzi in morning. So I'm making just dals and chapatis. So you can see the thali is ready, and we have already sweet curd along with veg thali. Today we have installed the iron pot stand. You can see this. So this is our balcony, master bedroom balcony. So this is green now, and now I'm in kitchen. This is evening time, so I'm making homemade paneer for tomorrow because my kid school has opened from tomorrow. So I'm making paneer. He loves to have paneer paratha, paneer curry, anything. So I've just added the vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon water. So I've just added in it, and you can see it is curdling now. So I'll just strain the extra water and I'll give it a rest for 30 minutes, and you can see that how good this is going to be, because from few days I am making homemade paneer. Now you can see the texture of this paneer. This is looking very tender, and as well it is spongy also. So today we want to have milk oats in dinner. So I'm making milk oats. I'll just soak the oats in milk and also add almond powder in it. Once it is soaked properly, I'll put this mixture in pan, and once it is cooked properly, I'll just add the sugar in it, and our milk oats is ready. This is very simple recipe. You can have it if you are doing dieting. You can also have it, but you can use honey if for sweetness. I'm just making chapati for dinner because dal and sabzi is already from afternoon. So I'm sure you have liked my content, then please like and subscribe to my channel.